Namaste and welcome to All About Lifestyle. This is Shraddha and this video is again a painting tutorial video on a tabletop. And before moving on, let me clarify that the second part of the balcony makeover is pending just because of the things I want to add in my balcony are not getting easily and I'm still in search of them. So once I'll get the things, I'll definitely put up the video as soon as possible. So till then, enjoy this video, the painting on a tabletop, and that tabletop I'll be using in my balcony, and you have to wait for that how I'm going to use it. So let's begin with the video.
This is the tabletop of Nilkamal fiber dining table. I was using it as my painting table for keeping the canvas or papers, and I have removed the four legs and then cleaned it using a thinner. Now, to paint the cactus theme on this, I made a rough sketch and then started painting using the acrylic colors. This one is the green color using angled flat brush. Here I am using the Fevicryl neon green color. I have used the different shades of green for the cacti. Now, painting the Fevicryl neon yellow color on this cactus. Now I am painting a water can using mauve blue and white color. Just mixing the two colors for giving a new shade of blue. For the stems of flowers, I am using dark green color. Now, as I have used too much of neon green, so I am changing the color of this cactus and painting it using a dark green color. For the flowers, I chose Fevicryl neon pink color. Now for the thorns, I have used white color for this dark green cactus. And made simple crosses as thorns using round shaped zero size brush. As this cactus has light shades, so for making the thorns I have used dark shade of green and made simple lines. On this cactus I made Y-shaped thorns. This is a flower shaped flattened brush, and for making the thorns simply apply the strokes of white color. The painting totally changed the look of tabletop, and yeah, after painting I applied the single coat of clear varnish, as these are acrylic colors, so without varnish they may come off. Hope you have enjoyed the painting, and don't just simply watch the videos, do motivate me for making more videos by hitting the subscribe button. Like this video and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.